image layouts are such powerful blocks inside of Squarespace that we could build our whole website using the image blocks only. So, and I'm showing you different examples of card images, overlap images, collages, stack images, and posters. All of them have different styling options. So let's go ahead and explore. So for example, when you add such image, you add a card, and you can upload the image, and you have design options. You can turn it into a poster, stack, collage, into any other image, and select if the image is on the left or on the right, and select image link. You can also add an animation. You can modify the fonts of an image block by going into the block, selecting the text, and applying a heading or a paragraph. And you can also have a title and a subtitle here. So let me go ahead and add a subtitle. You can also have a different font for the subtitle. Both can be headings, both can be paragraphs. It's up to you. You can add a link, make it bold, italic, use a list, change the indent of this text block. It behaves as a text block inside of an image layout. In order to modify the colors of any image block, and let me use this one as an example. So I'm going to add a little text and a button here. So in order to modify the colors, to tweak the colors, we're going to go to Design, Colors, and we're going to modify whichever theme the block is using. So for example, this one is using white minimal. So I would go in and click this image. It's gonna show me the image block color settings for white minimal, and I can change these things here. As I said earlier, you're not limited to this palette. You can use your custom colors. Another way to edit the color of a block here is to go and change the theme of a section. By going here, clicking colors, and selecting a different theme. So this way you can have different designs for the same block to use on different parts of your website. To change the layout settings of image blocks, go to Design and select Image Blocks. And this gives you the alignment and content width, all these settings that have nothing to do with color and fonts for all image blocks. So right now I'm editing the collage style image block. I can modify image width, content offset, content padding. So this is a cool way to create different layouts for different needs. For example, I can turn this collage block into a full screen hero image, or I can use it as a testimonial block with the headshot and a quote in here. So let me show you several creative examples of how I'm using layout images to create different designs and different effects. So for example, the boho social template. This is a overlap block, and because this image has some transparency on the left, it creates this nice overlap with the heading and the subheading. So the margin of this image is somewhere here actually, and it overlaps with the headline. California template. These things, the icons with the description, headline description, and the subhead, these are image card blocks. Laura, the showcase. These are image card blocks as well, and I'm adding this background color with a little bit of CSS. And also, this is a collage block, and I'm creating this collage effect by adding a background image here. And also, if you go to services, the pricing table is created using a card block, and I'm also adding the background color with CSS. So this is a poster image block with a button, and the button is supposed to link to blog category. So you can get really creative using all those image layouts by mixing them, matching them, changing the colors, overlaying them with different styles of sections, changing the layout styling, and so on and so forth. The sky is the limit here.